Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing something special from Van Cleef and Arpels. I'm so happy I finally have it in my collection. By the way guys, if you like my content, please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. It was a completely unplanned impromptu purchase. I did not expect to see this in a store. By the way, this is a receipt that came with it. I want to open it because it has some confidential information. What else do we have here? The certificate of authenticity. It comes with every single Van Cleef & Arpels purchase, and I showed it to you in all of my videos when I unbox Van Cleef & Arpels items. I also have a cleaning cloth, which is essential for these stones, the travel pouch, which I use very often, and the last but not the least is the box, and I'm just so excited to unbox it. Actually, I got it some time ago, but I did not want to unbox it. I wanted to delay the gratification even though I have already bought them. I just wanted the excitement to last longer. Sometimes when you get something, unbox it quickly, the feeling goes away as well. Actually, I feel like this method worked. It extended my happiness and I had something to look forward to. And these are the earrings that I got. They are in the magic size and in onyx. I absolutely love this size. It's so gorgeous. It stands out a lot more than vintage. This is how they look on me. I love them. So pretty. I feel like the magic earrings stand out and you can see them far away. The only thing is I would have to readjust the posts so that they won't look droopy. I adjusted my white mother of pearl earrings the same way, and also my free wall earrings in a large size. I was told that I can even make the posts thinner so that they will be a bit more comfortable. Actually, they are not very thick, they feel okay. I have these earrings in the vintage size and I previously unboxed it and showed to you guys as well. I will link down that video for you in case you want to check it out. I absolutely love both sizes. When I tried on the vintage size in onyx for the first time, I also compared it with the magic size, and in my vlog I said that I actually would love to have both of them because they're so stunning, but I got the vintage first because I wanted to wear it for a while and get used to it. And then I decided that I would definitely want to have magic in my collection as well. It's a beautiful size, it really stands out, and it's so comfortable to wear as well. By the way guys, I previously posted a comparison video where I talked about pros and cons of these two sizes, and I'll link it down for you guys in the description box below in case you want to have a look. Onyx stone is just so easy to style, it literally goes with everything. The black color is the best, and they're not flashy, they are perfect for a daily wear, and they feel quite comfortable as well. I absolutely love this size and this stone, it's one of my favorite. These days magic size is so hard to find in a store. I asked about this several times but they were not available. I previously inquired about this in white gold and diamonds and in malachite, and they were not available. This size has become very rare and hard to find. I removed my necklace and you can see you can wear them on its own and you don't really have to have anything else. They just look amazing. I think I will wear them on its own, and my vintage earrings I will pair with my necklace. I love that look. Actually, I wear my necklaces so often. They are probably one of my most used VCA pieces. I just love them. And I also reviewed them in the past. I will link down those vlogs in the description box below in case you want to check them out. And I would also like to get white mother of pearl earrings in the vintage size as well so that I could match them perfectly. I prefer to wear 10 motif necklaces with the vintage size. I think they look the best. I can still wear the magic earrings with the necklace. I will just wrap it around my wrist like a bracelet. It's a cool look. Last week I posted a video about how I extended my necklaces so I can also wear them as bracelets. I will link it down for you guys. Literally, the cost per wear of this necklace from my entire VCA collection is the lowest because I wear it all the time. It's so stunning and must to have in my collection at least. It's just so pretty and so easy to wear, and it matches everything. I feel quite happy with my Van Cleef & Arpels Onyx collection. I love all the items. I use them so often. They are so easy to style. They are not over the top and perfect for a daily wear, and even the 3 motif earrings. Onyx matches so well with everything. I'm a huge fan of Onyx, and by the way guys, I have recently reviewed it on my channel. I talked about its features, pros and cons. I will find that video and add for you guys in the description box below. When I saw it for the first time, I was not sure that it's for me. I was not used to the color, and now it's one of my favorites. I would like to get another necklace to my collection. I'm considering to get a 20 motif. It's so stunning, elegant and timeless, and I absolutely love it. I could also easily connect it with my 10 motif necklace and create a longer one. And that's the best advantage of VCA Alhambra jewelry. You can always connect different pieces together. I think I'm going to get it next. It's definitely one of the priority items on my wish list. The only disadvantage of onyx stone is that it's so easy to stain it. If you just touch it with your fingers, you will see the fingerprints. It's very hard to avoid them. However, I was given this fabric that I showed to you guys earlier. I have been using it a lot on all my onyx pieces. It definitely helps to keep all of my onyx jewelry clean and shiny. Anyways guys, it's the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I post at least 3 times a week, and I also update my Insta stories. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!